I'm Victor.
I'm Eva.
We're from Epic Adventure Couple.
Yes, we are.
And today we are at Marvel Land at Universal Islands of Adventure.
Yes, and we are going to tell you all things about Marvel, because the difference between Disney and Universal
is epic. It's always epic.
Yeah.
So we're in Universal, but it's owned Marvel by Disney. See, Universal has perpetuity in Marvel Land. Since 1999, when this was built, the original islands, they have Marvel Land. It will be the only one ever.
Yes. Now, in California, Disney has Adventureland, which is part of the Marvel Studios.
Adventure Campus.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And then also Epcot has the new Guardians of the Galaxy, which is part of Marvel, but they don't call it Marvel, they call it the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Ever, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty
Universal
cool.
owns the rights, so all those new Disney movies that come out, Universal definitely benefits.
Absolutely.
So make sure you stay to the end. We're going to give you some epic information on the new Epic Universe opening up. Stay to the end, watch that. And right now, let's go on some rides.
Yes.
Guys, we take you on the ride. We don't just show you the ride. So make sure you like and subscribe.
High gamma radiation. Says stay clear. Wait for the next. Oh, there it goes. And
we're going on Hulk, but I wanted to stop and check out the merchandise. This one's great. Current mood. Angry, 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 and angry. I love it.
I'm that guy.
Okay, I'll be that one. Yeah, that's it. And I love this. This is a piggy bank. Who wouldn't love a piggy bank with Hulk? So this is $24.95. And of course, in the morning, I like to have my coffee. I really like this. Let's see, $19. It's microwave safe too, but look at that. So it does, I like it. So it does the sketch of it, and then it does the animation.
so you're not
too.
angry in the morning, right?
Yes, this will do it. Coffee.
You sure?
I don't know. It's gonna go off any second now. There you go. So, I made sure I fit, and we're going to go on it now. So you can check it out. You hit the buttons, and you go up.
So I'm going to capture this with the spy glasses. They don't kind of let you record on this going up and down, but I can keep the glasses on and show you what the ride is
Yeah,
like.
that's where. Awesome.
What's cool is look at the door here. The face of Dr. Doom. The anticipation.
Ignore safety warning. Set for maximum extraction. Maximum extraction enabled.
Whoa! Woo! Oh, I came out of my seat on that one. Oh! Look at this over there. You see the whole park. Oh! There's City Walk over there. Let's see a Hulk take off. There he goes. Roar! Coming down. That was cool. You all right? All right. That was a good one. So Dr. Doom, guys, such a cool ride.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. I screamed a lot. It was really scary because when you go up, you shoot up. I don't know how fast you're going, but it's super
I came out of my seat at the top. It was
I know.
pretty cool.
We got such a view. We got to see the Hulk, and we got to see everything.
All of Universal and City Walk, and it's cool. So
I love it.
now they let us off in a gift shop. So this is a good old-fashioned arcade. They have games and you win tokens. You could come up here and get some prizes. Check out this thing, Godzilla. That's a crazy. How about these video games? When I was a kid, they didn't have anything like this. We had Bing Bong Pong, and then came Donkey Kong. Oh, Deadpool. Look at this thing. Extreme Claw. I don't want to have to carry it if I win it. How big that teddy bear is. Look at this. We definitely have to do this. Where you take your picture on the Marvel print. You want to do it?
I do. You make yourself into the front page of a comic book, and I am totally into this. Let's do it.
Collect them all. Pose with your favorite superhero. So we found this here. It's a Marvel self-portrait here. Let's see what we can do. Which one are you picking?
Well, I want to pick one that we can both be in, so let's see what they have.
Oh, here, Captain America. You got the Avengers. Here's the whole team.
Okay.
Black Panther. Up, down, upside down Spider-Man. Of course you need my credit card. There you go. Is there anything different? Just give all my money. $10. Oh, I think it's worth it. A picture with our favorite Marvel characters?
Hello. I have jobs.
A cover or a story?
Cover.
Cover. All right, press cover.
Choose your
We're here for Avengers, Marvel, Guardians of the Galaxy, Spider-Man, or the comics? Which one do you think?
I think Marvel, since we're in Marvel.
Marvel. Marvel Comics.
Marvel Comics. Now, choose your favorite Marvel.
Oh, all right. It's going to have to be Iron Man at this point,
Iron Man.
even though he's
Your
retired.
choice. I'll guide you the entire way and direct you to take the necessary actions. So please unleash your power. 3, 2, 1, action.
Stay within the camera.
Make a determined face. 3, 2, 1, action.
Try to angle in the right position. All right, here we go.
Show off your power.
Power move.
3, 2, 1, action.
What do we get?
That was excellent team. Select your portrait.
Oh. Which one do you like?
That one. Iron Man.
Iron Man or Iron Man?
That one.
It may be a bit
We want to hear in the comments below which one you think we should have chose. Let's see what they come up with. All right. Oh, that one's kind of goofy. Iron Man.
That one. Everybody got that one? We did one of each if you wanted to.
And that one's probably, well, Iron Man. Yeah, we want one with the characters in it. So whichever one you choose. There you go. So it was a pretty cool experience.
I loved it.
For $10.
Yeah. You can make it happen. I'm going to frame it. All right. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, that is awesome.
We are digitized with Iron Man. We are a true Avenger.
We can meet all kind of characters. We already met Spider-Man, and now we're in line to meet Captain America. I'm so excited. I love him.
Hello, how are you? Oh, yeah.
You have seen this? Okay. Oh, it was big like this.
Yeah, it was huge.
Where'd you see this?
Aunt Annie's. We're going to grab a cup of pretzels.
You stop, you take a break, you have a Coke, and an Aunt Annie's pretzel before we go on Spider-Man. Really good. They're very buttery. So there's quite a few places to eat. There is the diner where we had lunch. There is the Fantastic Four, and there's Aunt Annie's, and there's fruit, and there's a popcorn stand. So there's about 5 different, I think there's an ice cream place too. So 6 different places you can have something to eat here. So we just got the Aunt Annie's, came into the diner to have a snack in the air conditioning. That's what we advise you to do. Yeah.
All right, here, guys, we're going to take you on the amazing adventures of Spider-Man. Universal Fast Pass. Here we go. Put it to the test. So we go through the back entrance. Fast Pass style.
Oh, we're going on Spider-Man right now, and I am so excited. We got a little bit of a celebrity tour to the back, and now we're going on the ride, so check it out.
these are the 3D glasses you have to wear. And a lot of the rides are getting rid of it, but not yet. Spider-Man, you still have to wear them. So in California, they actually look like marble. Over here, they're just plain black. But it's super cool. I can't wait to ride.
Hello? This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scope. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
That's Spider-Man. That target.
This is so cool.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
Out of the way, they're mine.
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and...
Things are just starting to.
Time to throw you on the street. Look out! You don't
Doc, you're worse than your haircut.
Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friend.
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm letting you down from here.
You're taking a dive.
Yes, again.
We're going down.
Happy landings!
Guess that wraps things up. You guys did all right. Don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Congratulations, you're a hero.
So here leads you out to the Marvel gift store. So it's really interesting to see all of the Marvel characters here at Universal.
I know.
You know,
That's crazy.
It is. So it's confusing. If you come to Orlando, make sure you spend time to come here. If you're a Marvel fan, it's the only Marvel land there is.
Remember, this is where you would get that. Don't get confused because there are some things at Disney that you have to just check out, like which is Guardians of the Galaxy. And what else is there?
They have the store, downtown Disney.
Yeah, they have a
That's
store.
it. They have two things, the Guardians of the Galaxy, they have that. They're supposed to come up with a Black Panther ride and name it something other than Black Panther to give the correlation, but Universal's the only place you get in Marvel.
Right here in Florida. I am going on Storm Course. Now, Victor doesn't like to spin around, so I'm going by myself. So you're going to come with me and check it out. I have no idea, but it looks like a super duper teacup. Look at those people. They're going crazy in there, spinning around crazy. All right, so if you think I can do it, let's put a community tab in and see if Eva rose up. I'm not sure. I just made. Look at this. 3 different spins. It's crazy. And this is in Marvel Land, and I'm loving it.
think anybody could do it as long as you don't spin the wheel. If you spin the wheel, it becomes an entirely different ride.
Wow, look at that roller coaster. So we're here under the Hulk, and thanks for joining us here today, guys, at Islands of Adventure Marvel Land. It's the only place in the world where you can come and visit a Marvel Land. Look at this coaster behind me. Look at that! See you later on our next adventure.
Hey adventurers, we're doing some updates and we snuck in literally into the employee parking lot at Epic Adventures studio at Universal. And if you look in the distance, that's the new Helios Grand Hotel that they're building. And right in front of that are all the rides. We're going to go to another location and see if we could catch out some more things. It's really going to be cool. So just coming around with us. Sneak in we go.
We went to the Epic Universe Preview Center at City Walk, and they have a full replica of what the new park is going to look like. There's the Helios Hotel, which we have booked for the end of January. Make sure you come back, and we're going to be the first ones to check into one of their new hotels. But here in the park is How to Train Your Dragon. They have multiple roller coasters, and it looks like a water ride. In the corner there is the new Harry Potter land. It's going to be a whole new New York City scene, and the carousels in the beginning, and there's the Dark World in the corner, and Nintendo and Donkey Kong Land. So make sure you come back. We're going to be giving you all new updates on the brand new Epic Universe coming in 2025.